Alright, guys, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I talk about simple ways that you can make money online, teach you the data skills. So today in this video, I'm going to make it very, very short and very simple. I just found something crazy on ChatGPT that you can actually use to make thousands of dollars online, and I said to share, right? So I want to make it as fast as possible. Now, first of all, you have to have an account on ChatGPT. If you open your ChatGPT, if you don't have ChatGPT account, you can just use your Chrome browser, any browser you're using, and just type open AI and you open an account on ChatGPT, right? So if you open ChatGPT, you come to this place, these GPTs, click on GPTs, and you search for video summary AI, YouTube video summary AI, YouTube video summary. YouTube video summarizer. I already have it here, but I just want to click it so you see it. Summarizer AI. Now this is it. This is video summarizer AI. So click on it. When you click on this summarizer AI, click on start chart. Click on start chart. So when you click on start chart, this is exactly how it will look like, right? Now I want you to go to YouTube. Now you can go on YouTube and look for any topic of your choice, any trending topic or any topic that is of high value that is currently trending. You can use this and summarize the video and turn it into a course or turn it into an ebook. So let me take an instance right now. So now the trending topic is automation. So just go on YouTube and type automation. Either you type this full course or you type make.com. But anything you're searching, just search. Anything you're searching, make sure you add full course at the end. Make sure you add full course at the end. Right? Okay, let's say you want to do email marketing full course. Let me just type email marketing full course, right? So click on email marketing full course. So either automation, email marketing, anything, social media management full course, anything, and you look for a video that is long enough, maybe a 1 hour video on the subject or 2 hours video on the subject. Let me see this. Like this one is 2 hours video. You see this email marketing course, this one is 1 hour video, this one is 2 hours video. So let me go with this 2 hours video. Then I just click here. You click here and copy the link. Copy the link to this video. This is about to show you is very, very crazy, and you can make a whole lot of money with this. I don't know, my internet is a bit slow. You click on the video and click on the video, right? Then you copy the link of the video. This is the link here. If you're using a PC, this is where you get the link. But if you're not using a PC, maybe you're using a phone. If you're using a phone, this is where you get the link. You click on share and copy the link. That's if you're using a phone, a mobile device. But if you're using a PC or a desktop, you can actually grab the link on top of this place. Yeah, so I just grab the link here or copy the link here if I'm using a phone. So let me assume I'm using a phone. Yeah, copy the link. Copy it, right? Then I go back to ChatGPT. Now look at this. I go back to ChatGPT and I paste the link. I just paste the link of the video, right? And I click on send. Now this is crazy. Remember, that is a comprehensive video. Now you click on allow. Remember, that is a comprehensive video on email marketing. Now, I don't know anything about email marketing right now. Like, I'm assuming I don't know anything about email marketing. I'm just giving you the instance. So I don't need to know anything about it. This shows me everything about it now. It's breaking down the video. It's summarizing the video for me in seconds. As you can see, it's summarizing the video. So let's wait for it to finish summarize. Now it has finished summarizing. Now look at the prompt you're going to use. Now you use this particular prompt, right? Act as an ebook writer or ebook course creator, anything, ebook writer, and turn this into an ebook that I can sell on Amazon. That is Amazon standard ebook. Like I'm just giving it a simple prompt. I've talked about prompting on my previous videos. You can check out my previous video that talk about it. So I'm just giving it a simple prompt right now. I just want to show you what you can do and what can be done. Make it very valuable. Like a masterclass on an ebook. Okay, so this is okay like this. It's just okay like this. Click on set. Now this is going to convert this whole thing into an ebook. As you can see, it's generating the ebook of email marketing masterclass. Now this is welcome to the email ultimate to grow your business with email, right? Introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2, as you can see, chapter 3. It keeps on writing the segmentation, and this is a complete high valuable ebook. It's not just something you randomly pick. This is a masterclass that was done on YouTube, right? You can pick any topic of your choice. Pick any topic, weight loss, pick how to make money, pick automation, just pick any topic of your choice and add full course to the end. So you get a very good video of what you are looking for. Then you use it and create an ebook, right? So this we have an ebook right now. And this, so the next thing you do now after this, after creating this, the next thing you either you download this as a PDF here, or you just go to Canva. You go to canva.com. I've talked about Canva in my previous videos. You can watch my previous videos and know how to navigate Canva. So you come to Canva, and on Canva, here on Canva, you just you click on ebook with multiple pages, ebook multiple pages, multiple pages. Click here. Then you can come here and select any template of your choice. It's already done for you template. Come here and select any template of your choice. You can take this one, or you can go down to take the ones that you like, right? Or you can create by yourself if you want to. So you just click on this and go to ChatGPT and copy all these things that have been given to you by ChatGPT. Just copy and paste, and you convert it to an ebook. And with this, you can actually sell this. You can sell this for as much as $10, $20, $25. You can sell on Stan Store. Like you can open a Stan Store. But Stan Store doesn't work really well for people in Nigeria unless you have a working paper. But if you're in Nigeria or on other parts of Africa, Ghana, Zimbabwe, Kenya, you can always use Sella. You can always use Sella. I've talked about Sella in my previous video. You can check out my videos. I've talked about. I made a whole video about Sella. So you can use Sella and sell these ebooks, and you can make crazy amounts of money, right? You can use this Sella, this kind of books. Maybe you're selling it like $20. If you put it up to $20, then you can put it on the affiliate network and put it like a 50% commission for affiliates. So when the affiliate sells it, the affiliate takes $10, you take $10. You will not even need to advertise the product or move a finger. Just create it and post. The affiliate will do the job for you. They will market the product, they will run the ad with their own money, and you are just sitting getting your $10 each. So if you sell it for if you're getting $10 back, let's say you have an affiliate, a good number of affiliates making the move, and you're selling getting $10 back, you only need a few number of sales to hit $1,000. And this is something you just got from YouTube, right? So this is something I saw and I was like, this is good. It's going to be good for my community. I want to share it on YouTube here for my community to see. And you can use this. You can use this to get any topic of your choice, anyone, both health, like I've talked about the giant niches, health, wealth. Um, you know, you can use it in any topic of your choice. So I hope this video helped, and I want you to try it out, and drop me a comment in the poll. If this video was helpful, I want you to also like, drop a comment, and share this video. The more you like the video, the more the algorithm sees that this, and it will show the video to more people, right? So please, I'm begging you, like the video, drop a comment. If this was helpful, tell me it was helpful. If you have tried this before, tell me you have tried it before. Or if you're willing to try it, tell me in the comment section you're willing to try it. All right, so we'll see you next time. Go get the bag, go get the money. Peace out.